Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to send Solana from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet. First, make sure you have both the Coinbase app and the Phantom wallet set up. Open Phantom, switch to the Solana mainnet and tap your wallet address to copy it. Next, log into your Coinbase account on either the app or the website. Go to your assets list, select Solana, SOL, and then tap send. In the recipient field, paste the wallet address you copied from Phantom. Double check the address to make sure it matches. This step is very important. Now enter the amount of SOL you'd like to send and tap continue. Review the transaction details carefully, then tap send now. Coinbase may ask you to confirm with two-factor authentication, so just follow the prompts. To confirm the transfer, check the transaction status in Coinbase and also in Phantom wallet under the activity tab or your balance. Solana transfers usually complete within a minute. And that's it. You've successfully sent Solana from Coinbase to Phantom wallet. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button for more tutorials. For any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below.